Hi, Steve Brizendine, Willmar Community Education and Recreation Director, here to talk about the park plan that the City of Willmar and Mid-Minnesota Development Commission have been working on since the middle of this summer. As many of you may recall, that we have started work with the Mid-Minnesota Development Commission and the City of Willmar staff, and our game plan is to create a park plan that the City of Willmar can use for years to come as we create an opportunity for policymakers to look at what is the plan of our facilities and parks within the City of Willmar, and how can we maintain them at the level that the people would like, as well as enhance them more as time goes on. What are amenities that people might want in the future, and how can we create the revenue sources to make sure that the best bang for the buck is created by the opportunities that lie ahead of us in the future. Where we've been so far is we've created an inventory of the parks. We've got 37 parks in Willmar right now. We've created that inventory. We know where all the parks are. We know the amenities at the parks. We've created a maintenance schedule for all the amenities at the park. And now what our next step is to get more public feedback on what we want the future of our park system to be. We have done a survey of the public. We've received over 600 responses from that survey, so we've got a little bit of a feel from the community on what the game plan is. And now we hope to move into the next step of more public input as we start creating the 5-year plan and look at new amenities that we'd like to add, and then continue the resources of how are we going to continue to maintain the current facilities that we've got and the maintenance schedules for them. Some of our game plans would be is to look at things that came from our survey results. We've got some big picture thinking out there. Would we like to look at a destination playground, adding an amphitheater at Robbins Island, an archery park in our community? A dog park has been brought up in the past. So now that we've got some ideas, we really need to focus in on what is a 5-year plan, what is a 10-year plan for the community of Willmar related to our park system, and how can we really grab the attention of all the citizens and make sure that the input that we've been given as staff really reflects the needs of the community. As I said, we've been working with Mid-Minnesota Development Commission and Matt Johnson and Don Winkler in particular, and Matt's here with us today to talk about their role in this whole process and what they'd like to see us move forward with in the future.
I'm Matthew Johnson, Community Development Director with the Mid-Minnesota Development Commission. We are currently assisting the City of Willmar with putting together a parks plan that's taking a look at all the different community assets and making decisions on how Willmar wants to go forward with making decisions on putting an investment into the community with their parks. A couple of the key components to the Willmar Parks Plan is going to be, number one, what community assets are currently here, and pretty simply looking forward to what community assets would you like to maintain and invest in over the future. For example, we've talked about taking the wading pool out of Rice Park. What do we do in that space in the future? Do we replace it with a splash park? Is there a better location in the City of Willmar that the splash park should be put in? Taking a look on whether or not we invest in a dog park or an archery range or a number of amenities that local communities can invest in. This Willmar Parks Plan will be officially adopted by the City Council and rolled into the Willmar's comprehensive plan. And the primary benefit of that is it's going to allow the City Council and the Planning Commission to take a look on an annual basis on what park investments need to be made. I would like to invite you to an open house that's going to take place on December 10th at the Willmar Public Library from 5 to 6:30. The main purpose of the open house is to get the citizens of Willmar to attend and tell us what your thoughts are on how this park plan should look like.